Are you in the "we're fighting again" cycle? Would you like to stop fighting and start loving again? Couples have often said to me, we just want it to be like it used to be. So what was that like? We were friends. We just want peace. We want more fun and passion. We just want to be happy again. The way it used to be. We talked for hours. We actually lost track of time. We shared intimacy and passion and commitment. We felt designed for each other. We longed to connect and care for each other. Life was so wonderful. We couldn't stand to be apart. We were always thinking about each other. We had an aching and a longing in our heart. We felt like we were walking on air. Our little differences were so cute. We said that love conquers all. But now, the aching heart is gone. We both felt it slipping away. Our differences began to frustrate us. And now it feels like there's a wall growing between us. Each of us feels misunderstood and underappreciated. We've tried to work through our issues, but discussions turn into arguments. We go round and round, but can't seem to make progress. There's a defensive back and forth in this mountain of criticism. It's yelling and these disappointments and unmet needs and unfulfilled longings. There's a putrid atmosphere between us, and it makes us feel unloved, devalued, and lousy about ourselves and about each other. We push each other's buttons around and around in a nasty back and forth without making progress. We've lost humor and we seem to be entrenched. We feel worse after talking than before we started. How do we stop fighting? Well, you need some quick wins. You have to get serious and find answers that actually really work. But if you're serious, if both of you will commit yourself to learning 3 relatively simple disciplines, you will make great progress in 30 days or so. You can start loving each other again. If you would like to stop fighting and start loving again, start here. Learn these 5 keys to happiness, and you'll see more clearly about where to start. After all, that's what you really want, isn't it? You want to feel happy again. Hi, I'm Ed Riddick, and that's what I do. I help couples stop fighting and start loving again. I'm an anger management specialist. My expertise is in communication and conflict resolution. The first step I recommend is free. Learn the 5 keys to happiness in love relationships. And just click below in the comments and it'll take you right to the site for the free course.